Hey guys, this is Hanae from LitFit Athletics, and I'm going to show you how to work out your glutes, legs, and abs using the LitFit resistance band. So make sure you take the time to get warmed up, stretch, and let's get started. Lower your body into a squat position, and you're going to take 4 steps to one side and 4 steps the other side. Try to stay as low as you can. Now let's try doing 3 steps and adding a jump to intensify it. You want to land lightly on your feet. Take a step forward and lower yourself to a 90-degree angle. Make sure you take a sizable step forward to reduce pressure on your knees and put your weight on the back of your heels. Keep your back straight and squeeze your glutes as you kick back. Make sure you don't lock your standing leg and always keep that knee a little bent. Breathe out as you kick outward and make sure to keep your core tight. Use a chair or a wall to balance yourself and make sure to squeeze your glutes as you kick out. You want to extend from your hips and focus on keeping your back straight. Stand shoulder width apart with your back straight. Squat down as low as you can while keeping your knees aligned with your feet. You want to push that butt out and put your weight on the back of your heel. Squeeze those glutes as you come up. You're doing the same thing as squatting but adding a jump. Keep your hands together, feet apart, and jump as low as you can. You want to land lightly on your feet. Start by kicking your leg out to the side and then take a sizable step back diagonally. Lower yourself into a squat position as low as you can. You want to keep most of your weight on your front leg to help keep your balance. As you jump in and out, try to touch the floor with your fingers as you alternate arms. This will help your form and make sure you're getting down low enough. Lay down on your side and lay your head on your arms to help with alignment. Open your top leg as wide as you can and keep your bottom leg rested on the floor. It's important to keep your feet together at all times. pull your core muscles in, keep your body stationary, and resist rotating your upper body. Lie on your back and make sure your feet are planted right below your knees. You're gonna thrust your hips up, spread your knees as wide as you can, bring them back and lower your hips. So up, out, in, down, up, out, in, down. You should be squeezing your glutes and core as you do this. Bring your knees in towards your chest while keeping your legs apart at all times. You should be feeling the resistance of the band on your legs. Squeeze your glutes as you engage your core. Try leaning back further to make it more difficult. So you're basically doing small crunches but keeping your legs open as wide as possible. Focus on squeezing your core and make sure to keep your head off the ground at all times. Start with your legs apart and bring your legs up, hold them outward, back in, and down. So up, out, in, down. Up, out, in, down. You should be activating your glutes and legs. Position your arms and legs parallel to each other and keep your back straight. Make sure to squeeze that booty as you kick up. Focus on controlling your movement and keeping your legs steady.